So this week I was working with Mitch and Mark on their kitchen and powder room. Again, for Mitch and Mark, they had changed up the floor plan. So instead of doing the master bedroom, they were working on their kitchen and powder room. And so they wanted to stick with that Palm Springs sort of vibe. They wanted to bring some nice pops of color into the space. The fittings that we went with were quite simple, to not draw away from those. Yeah, pull attention to them by lighting those aspects of the design. In the powder room, we used a Tadal wall bracket, and it was placed directly above the vanity so that you could get light on your face when you're standing in front of that, because that's really what you want in a powder room. You don't need to light the floor or the walls, you want to light your face because that's what you're in there to look at. I think it definitely pays to consider your lighting and your color schemes around the same time, or consider your lighting beforehand. Ideally, bring in some swatches to a beacon lighting. We can see what those different colors and finishes are going to look like underneath the different lights, because daylight, warm white, cool white, these different types of lights is going to drastically change the look of that swatch or that color. By testing that out, you can really achieve the look and the finish that you want.